Hello, this video is going to cover the download and installation of Cisco's Packet Tracer. So to get a Packet Tracer, you must first go to Cisco's website, www.netacad.com. And from there I can scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and I will see a course here called Getting Started with Packet Tracer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And to take this course, it's going to require me to log in. I can click the link and it's going to bring me to a logon screen. If I don't have a logon, I can go down here and I can create a free account right here by clicking this link. Once I'm logged into Net Academy, I can go ahead and begin or resume the course Getting Started with Cisco Packet Tracer. When I click this link here, it brings me into section 1, and then under section 1.03, I see a link to resources/lab downloads. So I'm going to go ahead there, and it will take me to their lab downloads page. Once I'm here, I can scroll down a little bit, and here are my options for Packet Tracer. I can do 64-bit Mac, Ubuntu, or Windows. So I'm going to go ahead and click this link, and it will go ahead and start to download. Okay, now that we've downloaded Packet Tracer, let's go ahead and install it. So I'm here in my Downloads folder. I'm going to go ahead and just double-click it, and we'll walk you through the installation wizard. So I get the license agreement, I'll go ahead and accept, and it's pretty simple. I'm just going to go through the default settings on everything. Now that Packet Tracer is installed, I'm going to click Finish, and we'll go ahead and launch Packet Tracer. I'm going to check No for multi-user. And as it starts up, it's going to bring me to a screen where I'll have to log into Net Academy in order to use it. When the login screen appears, I'm going to go ahead and click the link to Cisco Networking Academy, and it will bring me to logging in again. Once I've logged into Net Academy, I see the Packet Tracer window. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.